Mush here. So, to help celebrate Earth Day, we are going to make the planet Earth out of clay. All right, so let's get to it. So, I got some blue clay, and I rolled a ball just like this, okay? Because the Earth is pretty much a floating ball in space, okay? Next, I'm going to take some green, okay? And I'm going to add the continents all over the Earth. Now, you can look at a picture of the Earth, okay? Like right now, I'm making like Africa, okay? So, I'm going to make Africa, and then I have white for the North Pole and the South Pole. So, like, look, I'm going to put Africa, like, right here, like that, okay? And I'm going to smush it down, like that, okay? And then I'm going to make, because I know South America is, like, right across from Africa. And I'm doing my best to get the basic shapes. It does not have to be perfect. You don't even have to make it look like the countries, okay? But I'm just doing it to be fun, to be accurate. But remember, this is about being fun, doing something fun, okay? You know what? I think this needs to be a little more south, and I think it needs just a little bit less. Okay, so there's South America. Okay, now I gotta do North America. Okay. All right, and you know what? I lied. I'm gonna do Central America or Latin America. Okay, I'm gonna do that right there. Okay, just like that. There we go. And then I'm gonna put the United States and Canada up here. Okay. And there we go. So that's that. There we go. And it's looking pretty good. Okay. And like I said, like, your shapes do not need to be super accurate. Okay. All right. And there's Alaska over there. Okay. We got to get Europe. Okay. Like this. Okay. Europe's like right there. And then we have Asia, which like just is like a big blob. Okay, and that's where India is, and China. Okay. And then we can't forget our friends down in Australia. Okay. I don't even know how I would describe Australia's shape. It's just Australia's shape. Okay. So if you want it to be accurate, look up the world. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Okay. So there you go. I made the world as best I could. Now we need the ice caps. So I'm going to take some white. I'm going to stick some up on the top. Like that. And then, of course, we got Antarctica on the bottom. Okay. So let's see. And I'll stick some white. Antarctica's like funny looking. Like that on the bottom. Okay. You know what? I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay. There we go. The world. Okay. All right. And then I'm just going to give my world a face. Okay. So I'm going to give them eyes like right here. I'm just rolling little coils like this for his eyes. And then another coil for his mouth. And there you go. And there's our happy Earth, because we take care of it and we love it. And we make sure that we don't pollute it. Because we only got one. There's no other Earth, so we got to take care of it. All right? So, with that being said, I would love to see your planet Earths. All right, so take a picture of it, send it to mrmushmakes.com. Go to mrmushmakes.com, upload it there. I would love to share your artwork with the whole world, okay? And it's really easy to do. Just go to mrmushmakes.com, all right? And I can't wait to see them, all right? And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out in the long run. It really helps us out to grow our channel so that I can keep making these projects and helping you with your art projects in the world. All right? All right, well, we're done for our clay project. I'll see you next time. Peace.